From time to time, things like goals and challenges approach to our lives. Sometimes we are not able to successfully overcome these challenges and move towards the goal successfully. Or we postpone reaching our goals for a week. It may be a week, a month, or a year. In this way, what is the reason for postponing our goals, our dreams, and forgetting them or give up so easily? The main reason is that we are trying to reach our goal at high speed and to focus more on our target or dream, or you forget the approach to your goal. These videos are very important for you if you have given up hope and you are postponing your work too. If so, be sure to try the method we are discussing on this video. Before that, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to see our future videos. In this video, we are going to talk about a very simple way to achieve your goals or targets. This method was first tested in Japan. In Japanese word, this method calls Kaizen. In our word, it can be called as 1 minute policy. This method is very widely used in Japan. For example, companies like Canon, Toyota and Nissan are using this method. So, with this method, you too can succeed in your business or personal life. But you have to wait for some time to be succeed by using this method. But this will definitely affect if you follow this method rightly. The main principle of this system is to do one task at the same time 1 minute a day. I think it is not that much hard for the laziest people of the world because you only have to work for 1 minute a day. No more, no less, only 1 minute is enough. As an example, if you are trying to do exercise for an hour, there is a big possibility to miss it because as human we don't like to do one task for a long period. But if you try to do exercise for 1 minute for a day, there is a lot more possibility to success that task. The advantage here is that if you do one task at the same time for days, it will be your habit. What happens here is that you build a habit by engaging in that activity for a period of time. Once you have built up the habit, you can increase the time. Think that if you are a very busy person, if you have a job in addition to learning, you may have less time to do other things. Maybe you like to plant flowers at home, play guitar, read books or do other hobbies. Then you can try this Kaizen method. When you came home after work, if you can exercise for a minute, read a book for a minute, or devote a minute to something you love, it will become your habit. This will make you feel very happy because your brain knows that all his work is done even though you are not aware of it. This way you can do all your work very effectively. This increases your productivity so high. Also, this 1 minute method will increase your willpower as well. When you do like this for several days, you are free to give more time to the tasks that are more important. Increase the time step by step. Best of all, you have developed a habit and will never be lazy to do that work again. If you are a student preparing for exams, or an employee hoping for a promotion, or a housewife, You too can use this method to get successful results. The most important thing in this system is to identify your purpose correctly. You have to recognize your goal at the first. As an example, think that if you want to learn English language quickly, if you want to speak, write and read English very quickly, you have a lot of work to do. So, it's normal to postpone this workload for days, weeks, months or maybe years. But now you want to know this method, so you can allocate 1 minute for reading one page or learning one sentence. By allocating minutes in this way, you can do your work without getting any stress and without postponing your work. This will develop a habit inside you. As time goes on, you can extend that habit to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or half an hour. So, use this 1 minute method to get succeed in your dreams. If you like this video, share this with your friends and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.